is at the end of the block down there. We're going to walk that way and then come across the street probably. Go look at the trench and see how far the neighbors have gotten. Yeah, this is probably going to be less shaky cam again, but it's not really worth buying a pixel gimbal. Just, everything's melting and falling off the side. Just for the rare life-threatening occasion like this. Hopefully the pixel can deal with the direct sun or whatever. Scott is fine. So nice to have sidewalk and everything, because listen to how quiet it is. I don't hear plows. I don't hear snowmobiles. Usually they would be snowmobiles by now. I don't hear heavy machinery. I don't really hear the highway either, but it's kind of a weird time of day for the highway. That's the car. That's the neighbor's car. That's my car. This is the street that would get plowed first, and I don't see anyone doing that yet. I might try to cut across here, but I think that's all ice. There's the car. All right, they're coming up this way. It's done to about there, I think, so maybe I'll come and help on that corner just to get the car out. Wow. So now imagine the whole city more or less like that. Where did they put the snow? Did this earlier. We can get to here. And we're working on cutting through to this part, but maybe I'll help them with that. Yeah, I'll come and help with the rest of that later, because it'd be nice to be able to get across directly, maybe. And then this corner is not yet, but I'll get to the car maybe. There's the car. Trying to get a good cross section of the snow here. It's very much been carried by the wind, so it's up to just above my knee kind of thing. Jesus, that is just apocalyptic footage here for the B-roll or something. And look, we have sidewalk and everything's normal. Plenty of food. And then this is where Ken got to. I haven't heard him running the snowblower yet today, but we have the generator going, and their cars are all good, so they're good. Yeah, sure, we can drive anywhere we want to, right? There's this. did this first. To theirs. And that looks like it's not too bad. And then this got done earlier. They're good. Hey, they did go further. Awesome. Oh, awesome. Wow, down to there. And then just break through to here. Nice. All right. Oh, yeah. Unreal. I'm filming. Like, I want to show this to people, you know, who don't. It was a 78, right? Yeah, yeah. It was that deep then, you know? Oh, wow. All right. I think I got enough footage.